in my office waiting for my computer to reboot so I can sit down and do some schoolwork. And I may as well go peel some potatoes for dinner tonight. You want to join me for the day? Or the morning at least? Maybe the day. I don't know. We'll see. Got laundry going already. So that's good. Just waiting on the computer now so I can sit down for a couple hours. Let's go. Okay. So I know I said last week that we were going to do cottage pie on Friday. The plans ended up by changing, and I got sick throughout the week. Wasn't hot, it wasn't lovely. So our plans changed a little bit. She made us some lovely mushroom soup. I thought it was amazing. We were at Costco and we got this huge tub of dehydrated mushrooms. They were wonderful. So she made us a mushroom soup. I'm gonna turn the overhead lights on for myself. Oh, that's so much better, I can see. And it was wonderful. So last night we ended up by just having leftover mushroom soup with hors d'oeuvres. Again, it was deliciously great the next day. And watching a movie. That was our Friday night. I love those Friday nights. So today I'm gonna make the cottage pie, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do ramen. We'll see how I feel about that tomorrow. So how do I put this? I got an interesting comment on my last video, and you know what? I feel like I'm gonna put it out here right now to get all of these people just off my page. You know what? They are not welcome in my life, nor are they welcome in my community. I'm gonna put that boundary kind of up right there now. You don't know me. You get to see the clips and the parts that I share with you. And this goes for any single content creator out there. You only get to see what is put out there for the world to see. You guys don't get to see behind the scenes. Right? Plain and simple. Was I married to a man? Yes. Did I have 3 children? Yes. Am I now separated and working on a divorce from my ex-husband? Yes. Am I now with a woman? Also yes. Now, the comment was, you know, you married a man, then you had children, then you divorced, and then you got with a woman. What about your children? What do they think of you? You're a disgrace. What do your children think of you that you will make comments about somebody else's life that you don't know? What would your children think of you? That you don't know me, and you're going to make those comments. All right, let's touch base on this. What do my children think? My children don't care. Okay, my kids are not babies. My children are 18, just about 19, 20, just about 21, and 24. I think he's 24, or he's 23. He just had a birthday, and I can't remember exactly. All my children are grown adults. And honestly, my kids are extremely happy to see me happy. My kids are extremely happy to see their father happy. People don't stop and realize that. Also, you do not know, my separation was very, oh, I can't say that word. It wasn't one-sided and one person hated the other. Do we talk on the phone all the time? Oh, no, we do not. But we get along. So for these people that want to make these comments, have a great day. I wish you the best of life. I have no interest in having you a part of mine. If you want to judge someone for living a life that you don't live or that you are not a part of, you are part of the problem. That's really what it boils down to, is you feel the need to judge someone else on their life that you don't live. You don't know their story. You don't know their backstory. You don't know the trials and tribulations these people have gone through. You don't understand any of it because all you see is what, at most, like half hour of somebody's life that is, let's be real, choreographed to be put on the internet. So I put out another video, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years ago now, that really stirred the pot. I put out a couple videos that really stir the pot. So my very first one was when somebody made a comment about, is it a hobby versus, I don't even remember now. It was so silly. But again, it was just because somebody made a comment about their opinion. People are allowed to have their opinions, whether you agree with it or not. People are allowed to have their opinions. Okay? Like, no way around that. My other one was, I do believe it's even titled, I'm Not Google. I am not going to convert recipes for you because if you can take the time to type it out on a keyboard, to me, you can take the time to type it out in a keyboard for yourself. I'm not here to hold your hand. I'm here to show you how to do something, that something can be done, and how I do it. Don't ask me how to convert it into whatever it is. I don't know. And actually, I think I'd said, I don't know if sugar can be replaced by fairy dust, I think was my wording. I have no idea. You need to look that up. You need to figure it out, right? And again, here, once again, how I live my life and how I have lived my life has no bearing on your life. And if how I live my life gives you so much anger or whatever that you need to, on your keyboard, you need to take a look at your life and see what's wrong with your life, because there's nothing wrong with mine. Like, sure, there's things about that people do that I don't understand. I'm not going to judge them on it because I don't understand it. I just kind of go, I make whatever my comment is and I walk away. And normally that comment is to my partner, not on the internet. Now, whenever these comments, as I know they're going to keep coming, because heaven forbid people not make these comments, but I do have quite a few censorship words on my channel. Quite a few. I have for a long time because I refuse to have certain things come across. So you guys will probably never see these unless like by chance one falls through, which could happen, which very could happen. But like, I don't know, just, if it doesn't affect you, walk away. Right? Like, I'm not saying this when there's an actual crisis and you're right there and you can fix it. But if someone is living their life, not hurting anybody, not doing anything that is going to ruin your said day other than make you shake your head and walk the other way, come on. Like, the best comment that I ever got that I really had to just like, are you serious right now? Someone got upset with me. And like, I mean, like, they commented on so many of my videos with this same comment. And it was something along the lines of, the world was it? It was something absolutely silly. It was like how I had my sink set up. It was like something so stinking stupid. But I'm just like, really? Because I think at the time I lived at the old farmhouse with one sink. Sorry. But yeah, or, you know, how I cut produce or how I do things. It's just because someone doesn't do it the same way as you doesn't mean it's wrong. It just means they get to point A to point B in a different direction. That's all. Some of us need to take detours in order to get to the final destination. Keep that in mind. That life is always about learning. It's not about winning. It's about learning. And if you fall and you do get up and you keep going, you've learned something. Just, you know, little thoughts to hold on to. So I'm going to go fill this with water and let this soak so the starches come out, because I really don't want a starchy potato for the cottage pie. Computer's working, which means I'll be sitting here for the next 3 to 4 hours doing schoolwork. I'll be back. Final destination. All right. I have spent, I don't know, I think about 2 hours roughly in front of the computer straight. I'm going to take a break from the computer. That course was easy. Ooh. The next one might be a little more challenging. That's okay. That's the point of learning, right? We can do it. Okay. I don't know if I can flip the camera. No, I can't. But there's Luna. She was one of my helpers today to emotional support. Woohoo! My other one is down on the floor. They're playing with cardboard. I keep thinking the camera's over here. That's just where all the buttons are. It's over here. Okay. Now to go do something that is not sitting in front of a screen. Challenging. My other helper. The only reason he's being so helpful is because he wants food. Hey? Luna. Okay, so I have choices here what I can do. I can either A, do some house cleaning, B, work on another schooling I'm doing, which is a little more fun. It's drumming. Or I could start working on dinner. The choices. Or I could just continue to annoy these guys because I haven't fed them. They get fed in another hour or two. Yes. And snow. I can't go any higher, else you guys can see more. But as you can see, we have a bunny that likes to come in onto our balcony. Drumming.